68 years of non-stop hiccups. Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest hiccuping spree, an involuntary journey that began in 1922 and ended in 1990. Imagine hiccuping through the Roaring Twenties, the Great Depression, World War II, and the moon landing. Osborne's condition started after a fall while attempting to weigh a hog, and doctors never found a definitive cure. Despite the non-stop hiccups, he led a relatively normal life, even marrying twice and having 8 children. This astonishing tale of endurance defies belief, showing just how resilient the human spirit can be even when faced with relentless, uncontrollable challenges.